Welcome to another video. This is gonna be another quick video, very quick video. This video is just showing the location of the thermostat in a Chevy Express cargo van. I'll show you. This van here already removed already the bottom cover that protects the fan. This one here, as you can see, we removed that. We removed the filter housing, air filter housing there. We removed that connection there that goes right there into the filter housing, which goes right next to the thermostat. And I'll show you. We'll zoom in here. I'll show you. That's where that fitting goes. That connects to the filter housing, air filter housing, and this is the location of the thermostat right under it, right under that there. This is the thermostat housing right there. It's way in the back. It's held by those two 13mm screws. So you open those two screws and you'll get the thermostat, which I'll show you shortly after we finish opening those two screws. But that's the thermostat housing. All you have to do is open those two screws and you can replace the thermostat, that's what we're doing today here on this van. Okay, I'll show you. Yeah, so that's where the thermostat goes. You can see the alternator is right there, so it's on right next to the alternator right there. The housing is right there, and I'll put a link to this video of the next video, which will show the thermostat itself and how it looks like when you remove the thermostat. Let me know what you think about this video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and check the link to when we remove the video, to when we remove that thermostat. Check the link on the top of this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.